My name is Edson Cabalfin, and I am the inaugural Associate Dean for Equity, Diversity, and Inclusion in the School of Architecture at Tulane University. But I also concurrently serve as the Director of the Social Innovation and Social Entrepreneurship Program, and I am an Associate Professor. I've worked on different projects in the past that have often connected the way people live and the way they are working and developing within the built environment. The work that I've done has usually intersected with looking at history of architecture and that of the past being connected with the present and then that of the future. And so in the work that I've done, for example, in connection with heritage conservation at the United Arab Emirates, I worked on a project where we looked at conserving the old town, which is the oldest part of the Emirates. Our client then was the ruler of Ras Al Khaimah, the Sheikh, and he was interested in developing this project as a way to move forward in the future. As an architectural historian, I've also done research on a lot about Southeast Asia and about the Philippines. But the questions that I usually look at is in terms of how can we reframe the past so that then we understand it better, so that it can also help us understand how to move forward in the future. Another project that I'm working on, again, speaking of the past, I'm looking at this 100 years of how Filipino architecture has been framed and investigated and theorized. For graduate students who are interested in coming to Tulane School of Architecture, I think they would be happy to know that we are committed to equity, diversity, and inclusion. And so part of our programs has been to also mentor graduate students into leadership positions. I meet regularly with students, especially as we try to create a sense of belonging for everyone. I constantly engage with students, faculty, and staff in making sure that equity, diversity, and inclusion is at the center of our work in the School of Architecture.